actually like insane. I think it's a little bit overkill for this car. I'm trying. What a car, bro. There we go. Hey YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Jaden, back at again with another video. So starting this vlog off, we're back in the Turbo Starlet right now, and we'll be doing a few different things today. So I just got a wiring kit for the Starlet so I can finally install the sub in the boot, but I'm gonna bring you along for the whole day. So currently at the moment we're at the servo right now because I'm waiting for my mate Luke. He's picking up a slushie.
Back.
Oh, what other snacks did you buy?
Let's see how watermelon. Smell that?
Can't smell. Holding it too far away from my nose. Ooh. I'll try one. I'd give it 7 out of 10 eats was, bro. Alright boys, we just made it to the pizza place right now.
Okay, bro.
Gotta love the blue V, boys. Lunch with a view. Not a very good one though. Food vlog. Oof. The best thing about this place is they always make their pizzas fresh. Oh, this will be in the start of the vlog, but then it'll go to the SpongeBob time card and say earlier that day or some shit like that.
You sit me down and you kick me out. Like we go up just to go down. I say I'm out, but then somehow I'm still there. Maybe it's the way that you make everything okay. Yeah, you're the one that soothes my pain. Then you get too into my brain.
Alright boys, it's like 5 AM right now. We just made it to Subline Point Lookout. Elevation 415 meters, longitude 10 hours, 3 meters, 43 seconds east. Latitude 34 degrees, 17 degrees, 55. I don't know how to read that. Anyways, look at this boys. I don't know if you can see that, but you just see lights from Wollongong in that. Is that the water? That's tough. Holy. Look at that. It is kind of chilly, man. It's a bit of a cold one today, boys. Alright, let's get out of here, bro. It's freezing. Alright, guys, so we're heading back to the area right now.
Gonna grab a feed.
So, I guess I'll speak to you guys later. Yes, boys, success. Leo's Grill's open for us. What a car, bro. Yes, here it is, boys. The schnitzel roll. Back it again, 2 Aussie meals. Totally eats one.
Oh, yeah.
Mate, you can't get any better than this. Schnitzel rolls, boys.
Give it some.
It won't go past 3 grand, you can't give it some. Bro, do you like omelettes?
Yeah, bro.
Because I'm gonna let you put these nuts on your head. I'm trying.
3 hours later.
Alright boys, right on time. We're about to chase the sunset. And if you guys watched the last vlog, you already know where we're going to. Mount Vernon again. But this time we're taking the Turbo Starlet, boys. Bro, it's so bad driving without sunnies. Where did my one go? It's so bright. Come on Starlet, we're right on time. The sunset might actually come out alright, boys.
Just looking at the clear outside app.
Sunset's not looking good. Are you joking?
Like 44 high cloud, 97 medium, 51 low.
That is a lot of cloud, man. Here we are, boys, Capitol Hill. Made it to the first mansion. Hopefully just being around this area a lot more, my Bitcoin should go up. Straight out. That's totally eats one. This car's not a Supra, but it's a Turbo Starlet. And mate, you can't complain, it got us here. Just toasting it through this village. Just admiring some mansions. That's actually like insane.
I know I said I wouldn't give love a chance, but motion. That's why it fucks me up whenever you fuck up. Because with everything you asking me, I never asked for none. And it scares me the way that you lie with no effort. Then lie in my bed and tell me that you meant it. You're selfish. My friends say I do it to myself, and I do, cause somehow I always forgive you. And you say that you love me and swear that you do, but sometimes I have doubts and question if it's true. But still, you're the
Next day.
Alright boys, so we're back in the Starlet today, and this amp wiring kit finally rocked up to my house so we can connect my head unit to the sub. So I'm pretty sure this is the cheapest kit you can find on eBay. I'm pretty sure I paid like 15 bucks. So this kit's pretty basic, but it gives you everything you need to install a sub and amp into your car. So you got your RCAs here, which connect to your head unit, which connects to your sub. You got the power wire ground connection, and you got your remote wire, which tells the amp when the head unit's on. And other than that, you got your connectors and your fuse. So I already cut off both ends, so one connects to the battery and the other one will run all the way to the boot to the sub. Now we're running the other side of the power wire through the firewall, so we should be able to pull this through the dash. I got it. Alright, that was the hard part, boys. Now all we need to do is run it to the boot. So here's the power wire ran all the way through to the boot. Here's the extra cable, and here's the sub, boys. This was actually from my Sportivo, and I think it's a little bit overkill for this car, but you know, what can you do? Now that the hard part's out of the way, let's start with the RCAs. The head unit should come out. So the RCAs are the easiest wires right here. The red one goes into R, the blue one goes into left. And that's pretty much it for the RCAs. And now the last cable we need to install for the head unit is the power wire. And it makes it a lot easier when you have these head unit wires, because all you need to do is crimp into this. If you didn't have these plug adapters, you'd have to splice into the factory wiring, which is a big mission and it looks kind of messy. Alright, so now that the blue power cable's connected and the RCAs, we can put the head unit back in and we're almost done. Now all I need to do is ground the amp. So I just finished connecting all the wires, so the moment of truth, and let's see if this thing actually works. Alright, let's go. There we go!